Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Legal aspects of data breaches and security failures. Legal aspects of data breaches and security failures are critical facets of governance, risk, and compliance frameworks. These legal considerations not only outline the responsibilities and obligations of organizations in protecting data, but also define the consequences of failing to do so. Data breaches can result in significant financial, reputational, and legal repercussions. Understanding these legal aspects is essential for organizations to mitigate risks and ensure compliance with relevant regulations. Data breaches and security failures have been increasing in frequency and severity, impacting organizations across various sectors. According to a report by IBM Security, the average cost of a data breach in 2020 was $3.86 million. This statistic underscores the substantial financial implications of failing to secure sensitive data. Legal frameworks around data breaches and security failures are designed to protect the rights of individuals and hold organizations accountable for their data protection practices. One of the most prominent legal frameworks addressing data breaches is the General Data Protection Regulation, implemented in the European Union. The GDPR mandates that organizations implement appropriate technical and organizational measures to protect personal data. In case of a data breach, organizations are required to notify the relevant supervisory authority within 72 hours and, in certain cases, inform the affected individuals. Noncompliance with GDPR can result in hefty fines, up to €20 million or 4% of the annual global turnover, whichever is higher. This stringent regulatory environment emphasizes the importance of robust data protection measures. In the United States, the legal landscape is more fragmented, with various federal and state laws governing data breaches. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act is a significant federal law that addresses data breaches in the healthcare sector. HIPAA requires covered entities and their business associates to implement safeguards to protect the privacy and security of protected health information. In the event of a breach, organizations must notify the affected individuals, the Department of Health and Human Services, and in some cases, the media. Penalties for noncompliance with HIPAA can range from $100,000 to $50,000 per violation, with an annual maximum of $1.5 million. State laws, such as the California Consumer Privacy Act, also play a crucial role in regulating data breaches. The CCPA grants California residents the right to know what personal data is being collected about them, the right to request the deletion of their personal data, and the right to opt out of the sale of their data. In case of a data breach, the CCPA allows consumers to sue for damages ranging from $100 to $750 per incident or actual damages, whichever is greater. This legal framework provides consumers with greater control over their data and holds organizations accountable for their data protection practices. The legal implications of data breaches extend beyond financial penalties. Organizations may also face class action lawsuits, regulatory investigations, and damage to their reputation. For example, the 2017 Equifax data breach, which exposed the personal information of approximately 147 million people, resulted in a $700 million settlement with the Federal Trade Commission and other regulators. This settlement included up to $425 million to help affected individuals recover from the breach. The Equifax breach highlights the severe consequences of inadequate data protection measures and the importance of legal compliance. Another critical aspect of legal compliance in data breaches is the concept of reasonable security measures. Legal frameworks often require organizations to implement reasonable security measures to protect personal data. However, what constitutes reasonable security measures can vary depending on the context and the sensitivity of the data. Courts and regulators may consider factors such as the size and complexity of the organization, the nature and scope of its activities, and the cost of implementing security measures. This requirement emphasizes the need for organizations to adopt a risk-based approach to data protection, tailoring their security measures to their specific circumstances. The role of governance, risk, and compliance professionals is crucial in navigating the legal landscape of data breaches and security failures. GRC professionals must stay informed about the evolving legal requirements and ensure that their organizations implement appropriate measures to comply with these regulations. This involves conducting regular risk assessments, developing and implementing data protection policies and procedures, and providing training and awareness programs for employees. Additionally, GRC professionals must establish incident response plans to promptly address data breaches and mitigate their impact. Incident response plans should include procedures for detecting and containing data breaches, notifying the relevant parties, and conducting post-incident analysis to prevent future breaches. Legal considerations play a significant role in these plans, as organizations must ensure that their response complies with the relevant legal requirements. For example, organizations must be prepared to provide timely and accurate notifications to affected individuals and regulatory authorities as required by laws such as GDPR and HIPAA. Failure to provide such notifications can result in legal penalties and damage to the organization's reputation. Moreover, organizations should consider the legal implications of data breaches when negotiating contracts with third-party service providers. Contracts should include provisions that require service providers to implement appropriate security measures, notify the organization in case of a breach, and cooperate with the organization's incident response efforts. Including these provisions can help organizations mitigate the legal risks associated with data breaches involving third-party service providers. In conclusion, the legal aspects of data breaches and security failures are integral to the GRC framework. Organizations must navigate a complex and evolving legal landscape to protect personal data and comply with relevant regulations. Legal frameworks such as GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA impose significant obligations on organizations and define the consequences of failing to protect data. GRC professionals play a crucial role in ensuring legal compliance by implementing robust data protection measures, conducting regular risk assessments, and establishing effective incident response plans. By understanding and addressing the legal aspects of data breaches and security failures, organizations can mitigate risks, protect their reputation, and fulfill their legal obligations. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.